Swans, belonging to the family Anatidae, are one of the largest waterfowl species, known scientifically as cygnus. Their body structure is perfectly adapted for swimming, with webbed feet and long necks that allow them to forage underwater. Swans typically inhabit freshwater environments such as lakes and rivers, where they feed on aquatic plants, insects, and small aquatic organisms. Ecologically, swans play a crucial role in maintaining the health of freshwater ecosystems by controlling plant growth and nutrient cycling. They exhibit high social behavior, often living in pairs or small groups, and are renowned for their lifelong monogamous pair bonds. Additionally, swans possess complex communication abilities through sounds and gestures, enhancing cohesion within groups and among individual birds.